Today I'm going to show you Hermes Agent. It's a open source self-improving AI assistant that lives on your server. Remember your preference forever and actually get smarter the more you use it. And it's not just a chatbot, it's a persistent member of your dev team. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Hermes Agent on your machine, connect Telegram, configure different models. So for doing these, actually, if you came to Hermes Agent, so this is the official website, and you can see the agent that grows with you. That means the more you use, it will be more efficient for you. Okay. So the way to use it, at first you will have to install it on your machine and then configure it. It's very easy. It's actually two-step way to use it. So here, if you scroll a little bit, you can see this is the features option, and here you will have several features. It's actually lives where you do. That means you can just connect with Telegram, Discord, Slack, WhatsApp, anywhere, and it will give you more flexibility than the OpenClaw. Okay, so here you can see grows the longer it runs, schedule automations. You can use it for delegates and context real sandboxing, full web and browser control, and more. Okay, so I don't talk about more about this. I will go directly so that you can just start implementing it practically. Okay, so that's why from here you will go to documentation sections, and here you will have this page. You will click this get started button, and then it will land to the installation page. Look, you can install it on your Linux and Mac OS. Currently Windows setup is not available. If you want to install it on Windows, you will have to use WSL2. Okay, so if you want to use it on your Android phone, it's also available. You have to use Termax for this, okay, to go execute this command. But installing it on your local machine is a little bit risky because it's open source, and sometimes it can expose your local files because the agent actually run 24/7. And whenever if you use it on your local machine, whenever you shut down your machine, the agent will stop. So that's why it's best to use a cloud VPS. Okay, the best way you can use a VPS from Hostinger. For example, if you search Hostinger Hermes Agent, then actually Hostinger provide you a dedicated hosting plan for Hermes Agent, and here it's actually cost $8.99 per month. And if you just click deploy and purchase this plan, it will actually very easy to deploy Hermes Agent on the VPS from Hostinger, and it's very convenient to use. You can just purchase this plan and go with it. But if you don't have this money, you can directly use it on your Mac or Linux operating system. Simply copy this command, and then you will have to open the terminal. You will have to paste this command and then execute this command, and it's very easy to install. And let me show you. So for this, actually, I am using a online server for doing this, and here I have this terminal. So this terminal is similar to this terminal. Just think, it's almost similar. No worries. You will have to just copy this, and as you paste it on this terminal, instead of this, I will just use my terminal. So let me just show it here. So simply copy this command and paste it here. And then if I press enter, look, it will just open Hermes Agent installer, and it will just install all the necessity things on your operating system or on your server, VPS server here. Okay, it will do everything. You will have to just watch, and then sometimes you will have to proceed and integrate some tools. Okay, I will show you everything, so don't worry. Okay, so here you can see it's actually executing, and for this tutorial purpose, let me just keep it side by side. Okay, so the thing is that it's right now installing, and it's very easy to use. Look, whenever the installation is complete, you will have to reload your shell and start chatting by this command. Okay, so look, it's right now installing all the necessary dependencies it need, as I'm using a fresh server. So that's why it's downloading all of stuff that actually needed. And you can see here you will have something like this. So would you like to set up Hermes? Here you have two ways. You can just go to quick setup, and it will give a provider model and messaging. This is recommended way. If you want a full breakdown, you can go with full setup. And for this tutorial purpose, I will actually show you quick setup, and it's easy and convenient, and you can see it's actually recommended. Okay, so simply what you will do, simply just press enter, and now it will actually say just connect a provider. That means you can use it with different models. So if you have NOAS portal subscription, you can go with the first one. You can just connect with OpenRouter. You can just connect with LMS Studio. You will have Anthropic. If you have Cloud AI subscription, then you can use it directly. Your Cloud model from here, you will have OpenAI Codex option so that you can just use API from Codex. And then here you can see the latest Xiaomi Memo is also available. You will have lots of model available there. You can just connect with any of it. Okay, and see Hugging Face available, Google AI Studio, Gemini, DeepSeek also available, Kimi model available, Alibaba Cloud version available, and even if you want to use Olama, then Olama Cloud is there. So I will use actually OpenRouter because OpenRouter provide free models. If I go openrouter.com and go to explore model, here you can see it's provide lots of free model, and you can use any of this model so that you can just use this for free. Okay, so that's why in this video I will show you how to just connect with OpenRouter and use free models. Okay, so that's why from this terminal you will actually use your down arrow key, and when it's triggered to open router, you can see the mark and then press enter. Okay, then it will actually ask for a API key. You can see it's asked for open router API key, how to collect the API key. So from this page you can just have to sign up. Okay, so let me click this sign up, and you can just sign up with your GitHub account or Google account, and you can provide your email password for that. I have already an account, so I will log in it. You can see I'm using Google's, and within a few seconds it will actually my account is there. So from here what you will do, you will have to click this API key, and now it will redirect to this API key page. So it's actually under this API key. So as I'm just using this, you can see, so from here you will create a new key, and then just name your API key. For example, I will say this is Hermes Agent. Okay, test. I will have something like this, and then I will click this create. Then I will have this API key. Look, I have this API key. I will simply copy this API key and paste it here on this terminal, then press enter. Okay, so you can see the API key is saved. The next thing is that you will have to select a model. So this is default model. So for this, actually, you can see whenever you use OpenRouter, it's actually showing you the input price and output price for 1 million token. And right now, it's actually by default showing Anthropic Claude Opus 4.6. But you can change this model. And as I am just saying, I can just show you how to use free model. So here you can see the Tencent HY3 preview model is available for free. Here there is another model, MinMax M2.5 is for free. Then here you can see you will have NVIDIA Nemotron 3 Super 120 billion a 12B free model is available. You can use any model. If you want to use custom model, you can see there is an option enter custom model. So you can also use any custom model from this model library. So you can just go to models and just use any model, just provide the name, and you can use it. For this tutorial purpose, actually I can go with, for example, this free model Nemotron so model. So that's why I will use our down arrow key and go to that section. So let me go to that sections. You can go with MinMax M2.5. It's also convenient to use. Okay, I will choose this one, then press enter. Okay, the step is done. Now it says set up messaging now. That means you will have to add a channel. For example, there is different channel. You can have use actually WhatsApp, Discord, Telegram, and lots of stuff. So I will set up messaging right now. If you want, you can just skip it. If you skip it, then if you just command this, then it will be give the same interface. So look, the thing is that from this documentation you will have to remember all of these command. If you command Hermes models, it will open the model. If you need to change the model, or if you just go back to the previous options for model configuration, you can go there. If you need to change your tools or configure your tools, you can use this command. For this actually message setup, you will have gateway setup command. Look, it's actually so to use Hermes agent confidently, you will have to remember all of these command. You can just check it from this documentation, so no worries. Okay, I will just provide this link in the video description, so you can just go to directly here and use that. Okay, so for this messaging setup, what I'll do, just press enter to set up messaging now, and here you will have several options. You can see you can use Telegram, you can use Discord, Slack, Matrix, WhatsApp, Signal, email, lots of stuff. Okay, so how we can choose that? So look, you will have to provide the number. So for example, if you want to use the first one, you will tell 1, and then if you press enter, look, it's actually marked. And if you need another one, you can just use that number. For example, for actually email, you will just type 8 and press enter. Okay, I will keep this first one, so that's why I will simply press enter again. Now it says create a bot via bot father on Telegram, so that's why we need to just add a bot token. From where we'll get it, so we'll go to Telegram, and now what you will do here, you can see search bar, you will search bot father. You will have to make sure it's actually official bot father. Don't use fake bot father. You will simply click here, and now here you will click this start, and then you will have all of this stuff. You can simply command / new bot. Okay, so you will type new bot, and you can choose it from here, from this suggestion also. Then it will ask, okay, a new bot, tell me the name of this bot. So we can say Hermes Agent. Okay, so I will name it like Hermes Agent, and then I will send this. Then it will say, now just choose a username for this bot, and I will say something like this. Okay, then at the end of this bot name, you will have to either define bot be capital or underscore bot. Okay, something like this. You will have to make sure you will this way. Okay, underscore bot. I will have my bot name, username, something like this. Then we'll click this send, and after then in reply you will get this HTTP API token. You will have to copy this token. Just click here, it will be copied, and back to your terminal. Then Control V to paste it, and then press enter. Okay, you can see it's actually Telegram token saved. Next thing is that you need to have a user IDs. Okay, so that it can understand which bot to have to communicate. Okay, so that's why here you will search something like this. You will have to get this. Okay, you will simply user info bot. You can just copy this and also search it here. So user info bot, and from there you will have to communicate with this bot. Just make sure you are using this. Okay, so you will search by this way, so that you can just get the official one. Okay, I will simply click there, and now I will also click start, and then within a few seconds you will have a ID. You can see this is your ID. You will copy this ID, and then back to the terminal, paste it here, and then press enter. Okay, so it will say use your user ID at default home channel. Yes, I would like to use it as a home channel, so press Y, capital Y, and then press enter. Okay, activation done, and right now you can see, so all of this setup is done. You just have all of these thing. You can actually configure anytime by using this following command. I have already done that. What actually says, so it actually says ready to go. If you just press Y, capital Y, and then enter, then your Hermit chat will open. So for example, let me press capital Y and then press enter. Okay, and you can see the logo. You can see everything is there. Will have available tools. You can have browser tools. You will have code execution tools. Cron job is there. You can have delegation tasks manager. You will have available skills, automated AI agents. Then data science skill is there. Email skill, gaming skill, MCP skills, research skill is there. Software development skill is there. Almost you can see total 28 tools, 85 skills. Okay, so this is actually ready to go. And for now, actually, what we will do, look, so no worries about the logo, actually it's there. So now if everything is ready, we'll have to communicate with our bot. So that's why I will go to bot further again, and here you can see this is your personal bot URL. You will click there, and it will have something like this. If you press start, then your bot will be there. So right now you can chat from your interface. If you want to ask something like this, let me type hi, and then if I press enter, look, it's actually using this model. It's actually using this model and it's initialized the agent. And within a few seconds, you can see, hello, how can I assist with you? Okay. So that means it's actually showing answers for you. So for this, for example, if you want to ask any questions, okay. So right now, let me show you how I ask from actually the Telegram bot. So sometimes the agent is there, but you can just communicate from your Telegram bot. Okay. So here you can just ask something like this: check your system and tell me what tools you have. I have something like this prompt. And if I press enter, look, right now this Telegram bot communicate with Hermes agent and give you reply within a few seconds. So if it's actually not working, if it's actually not showing, you can ask it here. For example, let me ask, is Telegram bot connected? And I will say, if not, build a connection. Build a connection. I will just say something like this. If you cannot get this reply, you will just say something like this. And then Hermes bot will run. Look, it's actually conjugating and it will actually use tokens. You can see this. So, and within a few seconds, you will get reply. Look, it's actually preparing terminal and deliberating something like this. And okay, it says the connection, the Telegram bot connection is now set up and Hermes agent is running. Okay. So you can just access to the under this, open the Telegram and search for your bot and then start command. Okay. So let me just uh, refresh it and then command start. Okay. Again, start again. Now you can see it's actually a reply. Okay. So if I now ask these questions, something like this, just ask this, then I hope it will now, you can see it's right now typing and within a few seconds, it will just reply. Okay. And see, here's give you what you are using. You can see core interaction, actually terminal. You are using all of these tool for now. Okay. So you can ask anything from your Telegram and you can get a reply from here.